Most people have no idea, but out of the 3,297 edible seeds recorded worldwide, only a handful actually help aging muscles rebuild effectively. I'm Dr. Sharon Malone, and today I'm going to share something that the senior health industry rarely talks about. After age 70, your muscles develop something called anabolic resistance. That means even if you eat eggs, chicken, fish, or protein powders, your body struggles to convert that protein into real muscle. Legs feel weak, balance wobbly, and strength seems to disappear no matter what you eat. But there are 5 seeds that behave differently, and the research on seniors' muscles under the microscope is astonishing. These seeds outperform eggs, powders, and even meat in stimulating muscle growth, firmness, and stability. Let's start with quinoa. Most people think it's a grain, but it's actually a seed and a complete protein. It contains all 9 essential amino acids, which aging muscles desperately need. Quinoa protein is easier to absorb than eggs, about 85% versus 60% for egg protein in people over 70. There's a compound called ecdone in quinoa that acts like a gentle steroid for muscles, boosting growth naturally. To get the best results, soak it overnight, cook it in bone broth, and add a little black pepper. Eat it soon after waking up when your muscles are most ready to absorb nutrients. This simple adjustment can make your muscles respond better than they have in years. Next, pumpkin seeds. These tiny green seeds are natural testosterone boosters, loaded with zinc, magnesium, and iron in perfect ratios to support muscle and hormone production. Seniors eating just a few tablespoons daily have shown significant increases in free testosterone and muscle mass without any medications. The protein in pumpkin seeds also stimulates growth hormone release during deep sleep, which is exactly when your muscles repair themselves. To unlock their full potential, soak or lightly roast them, grind them into a powder, and sprinkle into yogurt or oatmeal. Just don't combine with dairy. These little seeds can make a big difference in strength and recovery. Hemp seeds are another powerhouse. 3 tablespoons provide 10 grams of complete protein, more than most meats, and your body absorbs it incredibly efficiently. The digestive protein in hemp is nearly identical to blood plasma proteins, so your body recognizes it instantly and shuttles it to your muscles. Seniors using hemp seeds have increased muscle thickness by over 30% in just 12 weeks. Its omega-3 and omega-6 ratio reduces inflammation and stimulates muscle-building hormones that usually decline with age. Eat them raw, in smoothies or salads, spaced throughout the day to maximize muscle repair and growth. Chia seeds may be tiny, but they're ancient warriors' fuel and a modern research marvel. When soaked, they form a gel that delivers protein steadily over hours, preventing muscle breakdown between meals. They also deliver calcium, antioxidants, and boron, which help muscles contract, recover, and respond to growth signals even in advanced age. Chia seeds transform your gut into a muscle-building factory, stabilizing amino acids in your blood and protecting your muscles from oxidative stress. Preparing them as a pudding with coconut water and consuming at strategic times can amplify their benefits. Finally, flax seeds, the true senior super seed. Ground flax seeds contain lignans, compounds that help preserve muscle-building hormones like testosterone and growth hormone. They provide 6 grams of high-quality protein per 3 tablespoons and a unique amino acid profile that bypasses age-related digestive slowdowns. Flax also improves muscle energy production, glycogen storage, and recovery, while its omega-3s reduce inflammation. For maximum benefit, grind flax seeds fresh daily, mix with warm water to activate their gel, and eat first thing in the morning. This simple ritual can effectively reverse the age-related decline in muscle strength. These 5 seeds, quinoa, pumpkin, hemp, chia, and flax, are your secret weapons to fight muscle loss naturally after 70. Timing, preparation, and combination matter. When used strategically, these seeds give your body the compounds it needs to rebuild strength, stability, and endurance that conventional proteins just can't provide. If this information opened your eyes to what your muscles can still do, take action today. Incorporate these seeds into your meals, follow the timing tips, and watch your strength return. I'm Dr. Sharon Malone, and it's never too late to reclaim your muscle power. Thank you for watching, and here's to a stronger, healthier you.